What if I told you there is an AI tool that can create coloring books for you in just seconds? And even what if those books could make you passive income every single month while you sleep? No designing skills, no upfront cost, just an idea. And this AI does the rest. Let me show you exactly how to turn this into a real money on Amazon. Because right now, creators are making anywhere from $500 to even $5,000 per month just by selling the simple AI coloring books that they didn't even draw by themselves. In this video, I will walk through you the exact tool that they are using, how to generate the unlimited content with it, and most importantly, how to sell it step by step using Amazon KDP and many other tools. And this is one of the easiest AI side hustles which can make you earn a lot of money. So after clicking on the link in the description, this is the exact tool about which I was informing you about, and you can see we get plenty of options here, and you can also check that with perfect accuracy this tool has converted an original image into a coloring sheet, and it's really mind-blowing. So well, we get plenty of options here and we'll explore it one by one. So let's go with the options first. So just under this option, you can see there are plenty of pages ready-made and pre-generated. So let's explore this, and trust me guys, the options which you're seeing just below, these are the ready-made books. Just you have to do is you have to download each and every sheet separately, and even though they have grouped it according to the category. So as you can see, puppy, there are 53 pages generated and many more. So let me select the category, and I guess as we are designing it for the kids, so let's go with Sonic, and they have plenty of pages. So what we'll do is we'll just download the pages one by one. Okay, you don't need to do anything, just follow me up how I am doing. So this is the one way to create an AI coloring book, okay, and I'll show you more ways so you can select anyone which is suitable for you and easy for you. Well, you can see just we have to download the PNG because we are going to convert it into a PDF book afterwards. Okay, so as you can see, I have downloaded a single pic, and I will repeat this process for same rest of the pics. But keep this thing in your mind, you shall generate at least 25 plus pages. Okay, so minimum you can generate is 25 pages, but I'll recommend you to create your booklet of like 40 to 50 or 60. Okay, but keep the minimum. And the second way to generate this kind of page is by photo to coloring page, and it's really mind-blowing. Like you can see, it was just a random image and this tool has converted it into an coloring page. Like you can just upload any of your real life image here, okay, and he will convert it into an coloring page. So let's try this. I have selected the model here, and then I guess I have to upload the pic. Okay, let me select any random pic. Let's try for this one, these two cute puppies, and let's see with how much accuracy this AI tool will be able to convert this pic into the coloring sheet, right? So till that time, guys, go and subscribe and like this video also if you're finding it valuable. And okay, and I guess I shall increase this batch here, like we can generate 2 pics. Okay, no props. And then let's see how much time it takes. Okay, usually it takes up to max 1 minute, and guys, you can see with perfect accuracy he has generated the absolute image. You can even check from it, right? Isn't it amazing? Really, it's worth time saving, right? Well, this is a second way of generating an AI coloring sheet, right? So even this method is also very much helpful and creative, where you can just convert your text into the coloring page. And as you can see, they have given different types of option here according to the age groups, like for toddler, children, teenagers, as well as adults. So the advantage of this is we get a huge variety of coloring sheets, and we can focus on the bigger audience customer base, right? So let's try this option too. I am selecting the model, and I guess let's generate it for the toddler first. And yes, and then we'll click on generate image, and let's see what kind of stuff does it generates. And I guess this also takes max to max 1 to 2 minutes, but it's really worth waiting. So yes, these are all the 3 methods by which you can generate the AI coloring sheets, right? And then you can convert it into a book. So now I have explained you how you can generate the AI sheets with the help of AI, right? And it's to a copyright free, it's an originally generated by you. So this is our image generated, and you can also check the accuracy of it and how much beautifully he has created this sheet, right? So just in the you can just download it randomly, okay, in the PNG format. And yes, if you are loving this video, don't forget to like this video, okay, because it motivates me to bring many more new passive income ideas just like this. And yeah, I'll surely recommend you to try this AI tool, okay. And yes, then the bonus option here is of batch generator coloring pages, okay. What it does is you can generate 30 images at a time, right? And for that too, you get plenty of options here, like image to coloring page generator, right? Text to coloring page generator. Like here you have to upload 30 images and you will get 30 sheets of our coloring, and same goes with the text too. But for text to coloring pages also, you can just paste your prompts line by line and you can generate a whole book in just few minutes. And then this is also bonus option, like it's for fun kind of thing, where you can just color the sheets online, right? You can color the plenty of the drawings. As you can see, it's highly satisfying, and you can even play with it if you wanna, and you can even color it by yourself, and you can create that type of book where first you show them the colored pic, and then the audience will color it according to your pic, right? So yes, finally it's time to generate our cover page, and you can see this is the best AI tool to generate the cover page with the help of AI. Its name is GravityWrite, and you will get this tool link in the description too. So just follow my steps which you are seeing on the screen, okay. So just we will select on this option, and then we have to write the author's name. Let me write there my name, okay, and then you can fill all this information. You can even extract it from ChatGPT if you wanna. So basically, let me tell you what we are doing. So at very first, we are creating the image generation prompt, like cover page generation prompt. So what we are gonna do is we will copy this prompt and we will generate and cover page easily. So it's very much easy, right? So as you can see, this tool has given me more than 3 to 4 prompts, okay, and I'll select any one of them, and then let me select it first, okay. Now I have just copied, and then we'll go to an AI image generator just below this. Select the ratio, just paste the prompt, and select I don't think so we need a change anything here, so let it be as it is, okay, and we'll generate the image. Now let's wait for the main image generation, and let's see how the cover page looks like. And this tool too will take like more than a minute to generate, okay. And as you can see how much beautifully this AI tool has generated and cover page for our books. This is literally an awesome cover page, and it's really suiting our book, isn't it? So yeah, this will be our cover page, which will be flashed on the Amazon, okay. And then what we'll do is, yes, just download it. Now it's the main time to create our book, right? So at very first, come on Canva, and then you have to select a custom size of width and height. And as you can see, I have created. Just follow the steps on the screen. That's it. You don't have to do anything extra. Just follow the each and everything you're seeing on the screen. Okay. And as you can see, now what you have to do is you have to just extract all the images downloaded from that website, okay, that AI software. And now what you have to do is you have to just grab that image one by one and you have to paste it on the sheet. So I am creating like 30 pages here because I am creating a booklet of 30 pages, and I guess it's fine, but it's all up to you. But keep this thing in mind, minimum you have to keep it of 25 pages, okay, and the year. So just drag any one of the design and you have to just expand it, okay. Like I don't need this watermark, so I'm just expanding it, okay. If you wanna, yes, do it same for rest of the 30 pages. That's it. Okay, so let me repeat this same process for 30 pages and make sure you're leaving some space near the margin, okay, because it will help us it in a Amazon KDP. Okay, so let me convert this into an PDF. All set. Yes, and then easily we will just download the PDF. So no need to select any of that tick mark option there. Just download it. And guys, trust me, just this was a kind of a bit lengthy process of doing, but it's really worth it. Okay, now we have just completed like 30% of the work. More 70% of the work is remaining, and that is in the Amazon KDP, because creating these kinds of books is an easy task, but you have to keep the thing in your mind, right? So you have to keep some things and you have to take the precautions too. Now it is the final step. Now we have created our PDF and now we are going to upload it is on Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. So first create your account. Okay. Now as I have created my account, I am clicking on agree and this interface will be open in front of you. Okay, so yes, first we have to fill our information so that we can start selling, and let's click on the directly create option. Okay, now let me tell you the best thing. You have to select the paperback option here, which means you have to just upload your PDF, and whenever the customers order from your template on the Amazon will manufacture and print the book by itself and he will sell it to the customer and you will get paid for that. Isn't that awesome? So yeah, so now what we'll do is, in order to fill all this information, we'll take the help of ChatGPT. Yes, so what you have to do is, it's pretty much simple. You have to just open up the ChatGPT, explain him that which kind of book you have created, right? And just follow my steps like I'm doing. And then just explain him, and after explaining, just copy paste whatever he gives. Okay, this is the easiest way to just generate all the kind of stuff which Amazon KDP is asking to you, and you can just ask it to the ChatGPT and just repeat after me. Okay, so now basically we are done with this first step. And author, okay, let me write my name there, and you can also even write your name, but make sure that while going in that publishing area, okay, publishing region, you select that first option, okay, because we haven't copied from anyone else. This is our original content. And then select your primary audience, to whom you want to sell your books. It's kind of all the easy thing. This is the easiest way, isn't it? If you're loving this video, guys, please leave a comment and also drop a like if you're finding this helpful, right? And then also select your category, okay, because sorting this into a category will help us more in discovering the right customers, right? And even keywords, right? Keywords are important because it will help us to rank on the Amazon page. Whenever a user search a particular keyword, our book will be ranked. So for this too, we'll take the help of ChatGPT. But guys, keep this thing in mind. I am here giving you just an idea that how you can convert this into passive income. Okay. If you wanna, you can research it more about it, right? It's like I am just sowing the seed of the passive income here, and you have to water it daily, right? You have to grow your own plant. So yes, that's it. This is our step one for this, and I guess we are done with the step one. And let me check each and everything once more, and you can also check what we have did. Just follow the steps, nothing different, nothing hard. Okay, and let me add this name here, last name, and yes, I am all done with it. So now what I have to do is, yeah, this is the part 2. Okay, now here comes the main part. You have to generate your ISBN number, and it's pretty much easy. Just you have to click on apply for ISBN. Okay, just it's like an unique identity of your book, right? Of your published book. So let me save it. Like if we need it in some future kind of use, we'll use it. Okay, now print options. There are plenty of print options. Choose it accordingly, right? Choose it accordingly. Like I am choosing the last option here because it will suit my book, and that's plenty enough. And then you can see that just follow my settings, right, which I am doing. So no props at all. Let's ask ChatGPT for more about it. And we are at the last stage. Okay, like you can say this is the second last stage of this, but no props at all. See, any error, any problem you are facing here, you can ask help for the chat GPT. He will help you. So as I'm selecting this, so I guess it'll work. Yeah. So yes, we are good to go. And now this is the main option, right? Just below this you can see the manuscript option. So I guess what you have to do is you have to upload your PDF file there. Okay, you have to upload your PDF file there. So yes, we are all done with it, and let me check the stream size one more time. Yeah, we are all done with it. So basically you have to upload your manuscript there. It's your PDF file which we download from the Canva, and then also upload that page, cover page right there. And then after previewing your book, you can see we have to pay $4 for the manufacturing. Don't worry, you don't have to pay it now. Whenever the customer will order, okay, at that time it will be deducted. So now we are at the end point of this video. As you can see now, what does this state is, okay, it's like you have to set the particular price of that book. Now as I am setting the $15 price, so you can see Amazon will reduce the packing charges, and also the Amazon will reduce for one more thing, as you can see that on the screen. So basically you can expect your profit around $4 to $6 per book. Okay, in between that, but still it's worth it. So after that, what you have to do is you can also request for a book proof to see how the book is printed and all. But before that, you have to fill your account information. Okay, like about the bank account and all. It's not that much big deal. So what you have to do afterwards, after creating each and everything, you have to publish your book, right? So it takes usually up to 48 to 72 hours for publishing, and once you are done all with this, your book is live on the Amazon. Yeah. So whenever a customers order your book, you will be getting the profit from it. Rest Amazon will handle, right? So yes, if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a lovely comment.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.